Welcome. Today, we introduce the Lightbar software program, a Windows-based application designed to configure flash patterns and additional settings for the Lightbar system. The introduction comes in 3 episodes. In this video, we start with configuration preset. After installing and launching the software, click on Create New Configuration to begin setup from scratch. If you already have a setting file previously generated, you may click on the second option to skip the preset page and directly go to the main setting page. If you have a Lightbar hardware by your side and you wish to import setting from the Lightbar hardware itself, you may click on the last option. For details on the importing method, we will share that on another video. For now, we click on the Create New Configuration to begin our training. We have entered the configuration preset panel. As we did not import from the hardware itself, we have to configure the Lightbar manually. This includes selecting the Lightbar size, position, color, etc. to match the actual Lightbar. Be aware that failure to match the setting with the actual Lightbar will result in inconsistent functionality. Let's continue to create the composition. There are 2 ways to set up the configuration. The first way is by entering the pattern code, or aka the PTN code, into the green box and click the check mark. The software will analyze the PTN code and import all the configuration for you. The PTN code can be obtained through your channel sales or via the Lightbar ordering system. If you do not have a PTN code or is unable to obtain it, you may create the configuration from scratch. From the left column, we can select the Lightbar series, the Lightbar length, and cable exit. If you are unsure of the Lightbar series, you may check on the product label for the correct Lightbar series. For the template option, we can select from 3 different settings: SAE, ECE, and STT. Each template comes with a setting generally used for US, EU, and tow bar market respectively. The template is only used as a default, and we may modify every setting in the later phase. For some selected series, takedown and alley light and speaker options may be selected. Moving on to the right-hand side, we have a blank Lightbar to be filled. We can click on each light head position and select a color from the bottom to fill the color. You may also drag and select a group of light head positions to fill the color at the same time. Repeat the steps and fill up the Lightbar according to your actual Lightbar unit before moving on to the next step. Now, we have finished the first step by creating the configuration that matches the actual Lightbar setting. In next video, we will enter the main setting interface and brief on the functions to better navigate the software.